In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view organizational units in Google Workspace. Understanding how to navigate and manage organizational units is crucial for any administrator working within Google Workspace, as it helps in organizing users and applying specific settings at a granular level. Whether you are a new admin or someone looking to refresh your skills, this process is straightforward and can really enhance your administrative capabilities. Let's start by diving into your Google Admin Console. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which provides a centralized location for managing your Google Workspace environment. Here, you'll need to find and click on Directory. This is essentially the backbone of your user management in Google Workspace, housing all the user accounts, groups, and organizational units. Next, under the Directory section, you'll want to look for and select Organizational Units. This option is vital because it allows you to view all the current units set up within your organization. Think of organizational units as folders where you can group users together based on various criteria, like department, team, or any other relevant classification that fits your business model. Once you've clicked on Organizational Units, you'll be able to see a list of existing units. This view is particularly useful not just for seeing what units are already in place, but also for managing settings or understanding the hierarchy and structure of your organization at a glance. While you're here, you might want to take this opportunity to set up any additional organizational units that could further streamline your user management. Creating new organizational units can be a great way to apply different settings to specific groups of users, such as security policies, application access, and more. So, if during your viewing you realize a new unit could be beneficial, go ahead and create one. By understanding how to view and manage organizational units within Google Workspace, you put yourself in a better position to effectively administer and secure your organization's digital environment. This approach not only facilitates better organization, but also empowers you as an administrator to easily apply and manage policies tailored to different segments of your workforce. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made the process transparent and useful. Feel free to rewatch this video if you need to refresh your memory or share it with anyone else in your organization who could benefit from mastering these fundamental administrative tasks. Stay tuned for more tutorials that can help you make the most out of Google Workspace.